Oh well, so much for the kiddie swimming pool. It leaked. Got up this morning, 2/3 of it was gone, so just getting rid of it. I put it into as much as I could into these tanks, what was left, and that's the replacement. It's about 300 litres there. That should be enough for a good sump. Oh well, better have tried and failed than never have tried at all. Oh, well, I finished putting it in. There it is. There it is, a big black fella. Already starting to siphon. Bring it up. And whew, it's hot today. Hot work. And I've just got to put the bacteria-laden water that I've been cycling for months back in. I don't want to waste that water. So it's going back in. You see down there. Okay.